The passenger display allows the front passenger to control many functions of the Audi e-tron MMI. It has a unique digital curtain function that can block the view from the driver while dynamic content is displayed and the vehicle is in motion. The passenger display layout has two main areas: the display area, where app and navigation interaction take place, and the direct access menu, for getting to things quickly. Interaction with the passenger display is similar to the central MMI. You can swipe around app pages, create shortcuts with the direct access menu, input text with the keyboard or handwriting recognition. The home screen can be customized to display various vehicle settings, themes, or maps as well. For apps that are full screen, you can swipe from the left side of the display to bring up the quick access menu. The passenger display is a great way to watch videos, play games, or be the co-pilot while not being a distraction to the driver.